I've done this take 5 times already. One more time, any eye comes out, you people will collect it like that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I created this brown girl friendly nude makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. So starting off, I'll be using the Aqua Grip Primer. I'll just be applying it where it get oily. On my face, my T-zone as well. Yanga Beauty Smooth Match Foundation. I prefer to use a sponge to apply my foundation. It just soaks up any excess, so you're not applying so much. Next, I'll be adding some warmth to my face using the Yanga Beauty Concealer. You don't want to drag it like all the way down. And you blend it into your hairline as well. You want to make sure you take it up to your forehead. You go around my jawline. So we're basically sculpting and trying to shape our face. And I go just around my chin. I'm going to contour my nose with a really small fluffy brush to sculpt out my nose. Starting from the beginning of my brows, and I just take it down a bit where your brows begin, and then you just take it down lightly. You want to make sure that the brush you're using is fluffy enough to blend. You don't want any harsh lines. You blend that into your brows. I like to go underneath my nose as well. I'll be blending everything seamlessly with my beauty blender. I don't want any harsh lines. The shade 03 and 04. I'm going in with 04 first, and the inner corner as well. My chin, my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and just a bit here and here. And to blend my concealer, I like to use a brush, a smaller brush, so I can really like control where the concealer spreads to. Try to make sure that you're controlled in your blending. All the bronzing and contouring you've done there, you don't want to like just wipe it away with the concealer. So that's why I like to use a brush. Because with the beauty blender, it's kind of big, so it could easily spread. So if you need to like dust off like excess, and then you tap around, you don't spread, you just tap around the edges, dust off a bit of the excess, and then you tap around. I like to look up while I do this so I can really get into the corners. Go in with our beauty blender and blend around. I want my under eyes a bit brighter, so I'm going in with the second concealer on the inner corner. Going in with the same brush I used to blend out my concealer. I'll be setting my under eyes with my pressed powder from Nuban Beauty. Press the powder into your concealer and then press evenly. Into bake, and I'll be using the Nuban Beauty loose setting powder in caramel. Going to be going straight into eyeshadow, and I'll be working with two palettes. Morphe 3502 palette and the nude palette called Meet the Browns. I'll basically be working with the first two rows. I'll be working with the burnt oranges and the nude colors in this area. So from the outer corner upwards and then into my brows. Next, I'm going to be priming my lid for the main eyeshadow, and I'll be using the benign eyeshadow primer. Next, for my main color, I'm going to be using these two shades from the Morphe palette. Going in with my gel liner from Yanga Beauty. I'll be going in with this bronzer from BeautybyAD. Let's go upwards, up and around, up and around. Next, we're going in with blush, and I like to create like a gradient. Like, I don't like it to be like just one flat color. So I'll be going in with these two shades. I'll be starting with this shade. This one is called Sweet Apricot, also from BeautybyAD. And then I will top it up with this color, and this is called Coral Bust. So first I'm going in with Sweet Apricot. Blend into your hairline. You don't want to drag it in. Just keep it focused on the outskirts, and then whatever's left, just bring it in. Don't dip your blush in your don't dip your brush in your blush and then go straight here. You need to start from here and then work inwards, if that makes sense. From your temples and work it in. Going in with the second color, this is the lighter shade in Coral Bust. Tap off any excess. You don't want it to be too much. You want a soft, smooth, like gradient of colors. I'm gonna spray fixing spray. This one is from Kiss Beauty. So we're almost done, and for my lips, I'm just going to do a simple nude lip, going in with this brown lip pencil. Shade. I'm gonna top it up with a clear gloss. I'll be sealing my makeup with the SooPro sealing spray. The Yanga Beauty Smooth Matte Found my eyebrows. I did my I'll be using these two shades under my, just where I lined. Tell me you know what I'm saying. How am I looking down there? I need to remember to be looking at the camera. God damn it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Jesus. Why is it that I know what to say? It's in my head. I know what to say, it's in my head. When I sit in front of the camera and I just go blank. Content creation. If you like this video, hey, God, I beg. Zini, speak up. I've done this take 5 times already. One more time, any eye comes out, you people will collect it like that.